The company behind former President Donald Trump's social media app, Truth Social, has gone public.
That the underlying business fundamentals will matter at some point. But for now, quote unquote, DJT is the mother of all meme stocks.
What's up, guys? Yasser here. If you haven't heard already, Donald Trump's social media company, Truth Social, went public recently under the ticker symbol DJT. If you've been asking yourself, should I invest in Trump Media and Technology Group? You've come to the right place. There are 5 questions that you need to ask yourself before making an investment, and I'm here to answer all of them. The first question is, where did Trump Media come from? Trump Media and Technology Group, aka Truth Social, started with an idea from 2 people who were on The Apprentice, Wes Moss and Andy Litinsky. They wanted to make a big conservative media company, especially after Trump got banned from Twitter. Trump liked the idea and launched Truth Social in 2022. Truth Social is kind of a Twitter clone, and its goal is to be a platform without political censorship, allowing for free expression without discriminating on the basis of political ideology, allegedly. But how much is the company worth? Trump Media, owned mostly by Donald Trump, is worth a lot of money. As of the recording of this video, its market cap is around $8 billion. That's more than big companies like Mattel, Etsy, Paramount, and JetBlue. But is the valuation worth it? To answer that question, we need to talk about users and revenue. Truth Social is a small fish in the big pond of social media. Since it started in 2022, about 10 million people have downloaded this app, with 3 million downloads just last year. In comparison, Meta's Thread app got a massive 171 million downloads within a few months after it launched. In terms of people visiting the website, Truth Social had about 5 million visitors in February 2024, both on computer and mobile devices, which is way less than Facebook, which has about 3 billion monthly active users. On Truth Social, Donald Trump has about 6.5 million followers, which isn't all that much. Before Twitter banned him, he had a whopping 87 million followers on that platform. But wait, there's more. We need to have a peek into the financials to get a better sense of Truth Social's valuation. The company only made about $3.3 million from ads in the first 9 months of 2023. But during that same time, it lost $49 million. Sometimes investors think it's okay to give a high value to small companies, even if they're not making a profit. They believe these companies will grow a lot in the future, or that more investors will buy their shares, making them more valuable. But compared to other social media companies, Trump's media value seems kind of high. For a company that's not currently earning a profit, a good metric to compare it to other companies is the market cap to revenue ratio. To calculate this, you'll simply take the market cap and divide it by the company's annual revenue. For example, Reddit's valuation is around 10 times its revenue, Meta's is 7 times its revenue, and Snap is 6 times its revenue. Given that DJT has a market value of about $8 billion on revenue of $3.3 million in the first months of 2023, we can estimate that its full year revenue is going to be $4.4 million for 2023. So the market cap to revenue ratio for DJT would be 8 billion divided by 4.4 million, which equals roughly 1,818 times revenue. Or, in layman's terms, to get $1 worth of revenue, an owner of DJT is willing to pay $1,800. But what about former President Trump? Well, former President Trump's ownership is about 60% of Trump Media, valued at around $4.6 billion. This could offer him financial support in his legal battles. However, merger restrictions currently prevent major shareholders, including Trump, from selling shares or using them as collateral for 6 months. Despite these limitations, Trump's significant ownership and support within the company's board may lead to the relaxation of these restrictions. Since Trump is a self-proclaimed brilliant investor, you can almost guarantee he's going to sell at the end of the lockout period, because he knows this math ain't mathin'. The fact is that Trump Media is worth a lot of money. But Truth Social doesn't have that many users, which brings both good and bad things for the company. It means they have a lot of potential, but they also have some challenges in making money and growing. Like Twitter or X, they're gonna likely have a difficult time attracting advertisers. The stock is a bit like what happened to GameStop and AMC during the pandemic. People invested a lot in them and their prices went up and down a ton, even though there wasn't always a clear reason why. If you found this video helpful, check out one of these videos on more ways to optimize your life. Thanks for watching.